Hi guys, this is Jam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make an unboxing of the wearable air purifier. It actually is manufactured by Aviche Medical Technology, which is located in China. It has a model number M1, which is color black. Now this box is actually consisting of the sealed plastic, which is very safe and hygienic because this device was actually intended for medical purposes. Now it's just very easy to open, and I'm gonna open this up using a cutter. Okay, now this is the actual box. I actually just unsealed it right now, and I'm gonna open this up for you to see what's inside. Okay, as you can see, this includes the actual device, the wearable air purifier with the brand name Aviche. Okay, this is just really small, about like an inch and a half, and it has a lace, and it includes the micro USB, which you can use to charge this device, and it has the adjustable lock that you can put on the neck lace, and it has the manual instruction with different languages. Okay, this is how you open. There is a power button at the right wherein you can just slide it up, and it lights up with a color blue light, which means it's turned on, and it includes the brush at the top. This brush is actually used as the electric ion that actually kills the different types of bacteria and viruses that can help purify the air. And I have just put the adjustable lock on the lace, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Please subscribe.